In this video, we'll demonstrate how to merge multiple PDF files into a single PDF document. But before we dive into the guide, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about merging PDFs. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and your feedback helps us create better content for you. Have you ever needed to combine several PDF files into one, but you're not sure how to do it? In this tutorial, I will show you two simple methods to merge your PDFs into a single file. Whether you prefer an online solution or a desktop application, we've got you covered. Method 1. Online PDF Merge. Open your web browser and go to your preferred search engine. Search for Merge PDF to find online services that offer PDF merging. Some popular options include Small PDF, I Love PDF, and Adobe. Select the service you prefer. They all have similar functionalities. Upload your PDF files to the service. You can usually drag and drop the files or select them from your computer. Rearrange the order of the PDF files if needed. Choose the compression level or options as per your requirements. Click the Merge or Combine button, and the service will merge your PDF files. Download the merged PDF file to your computer. Please keep in mind that online services may have limitations on how many PDFs you can merge daily. Ensure your documents are not sensitive, as you'll need to upload them to the cloud. Method 2. Desktop PDF Merge. Install a reliable desktop PDF merging tool like PDF Toolkit Free. It's a lightweight application focused on merging PDF files. You can download the tool from the official website, and the installation process is straightforward. Open the PDF Toolkit once it's installed. Add the PDF files you want to merge. Customize your merging options, like selecting specific pages or ranges if needed. Click Create PDF or Merge to combine the PDF files. Save the merged PDF to your desired location on your computer. Unlike online services, desktop tools like PDF Free have no daily limitations, and your PDFs never leave your computer, making them a secure option for sensitive documents. By following either of these methods, you can easily merge multiple PDF files into a single document. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.